How to post a carousel on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create and post a LinkedIn carousel using an iOS or Android devices, or you can even use laptop or computer. Right now, I'm using iOS device. However, if you have laptop Android, you can just follow similar steps to do that because steps are the same on all of the devices. So what you're going to do is first of all, open your LinkedIn and then you're going to simply click on post. Now, you would have noticed that just like Instagram, allows a carousel post of all of the pictures or all of the snaps that you post. But however, LinkedIn doesn't offer that. If you post pictures, the viewer wouldn't be able to see a carousel view. Now, if you really wish to add a carousel view, what you're going to do is add those pictures into a PDF document. So you need to create a PDF document out of those pictures or of the certificates, whatever you want to post. And once you have created a PDF document, what you're going to do is click on these three horizontal lines, and then you're going to click on document, and you can simply pick up the document that you made. Now I'm going to select the document that I made over here. So this was the document that I made with all of the pictures. They're like 8 to 9 pictures, and I have made a PDF document, so you can just post that, and here you can add a title. So here I'm going to type out check out this just for demonstration purpose, and once you do so, once you have to wait for it to get uploaded, and once it's done, you'll be able to see there's a nice carousel view like this, and even the people who watch your post would be able to see a carousel view like this. So just wait for the images to get loaded, and then you can click on next, and once you do so, you'll be able to view this, and you can just write down a post such as what this post is about, and just click on post. So once you click on post, the viewer would be able to see a carousel view of all of your pictures. So that was basically how you could create a carousel on LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.